It's only like 62 out, 63 with 97% humidity. Sun's not out yet. It's supposed to be 80 today. I didn't set my camera to the right setting. There we go. Now the ISO can go higher. Now where's my key? I hate being in a hurry on a motorcycle. I'll explain what's going on. Just a moment. 72, 66% humidity. Why? Why does this do this at night? Or when the battery's low or something? I don't know. I gotta figure that out. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to have to figure out what's going on with that light. Because that's the second time it's done that. It's not doing it now. It is still flickering a bit. It's got to be a bad ground. And I don't think about it until nighttime when I can see it. Okay, so I'm in a hurry because I gotta get all the way home and then go pick up my kids at a restaurant that they went with other kids at youth group, after youth group. Usually we come early, there's band practice for the youth group, then there's youth group, then there's band practice for Sunday services, and then I come home, right? Well, sometimes they want to go to like a restaurant with their friends. I forgot how I did this. Like how I was like, I ride my motorcycle to band practice all summer. Well, duh, there's no youth group all summer. So thanks for almost killing me.